So in the previous video I have explained how to download Aadhaar. So if you come under income tax, then you must download at least once of for validation purpose or any for security purpose and all. Check if your mobile number is not registered with Aadhaar, then go to Aadhaar enrollment center and update. So now in this video I am going to explain about how to make payment of advance tax and self-assessment tax. See, if your tax is more than 10,000 per annum, you need to pay income tax. So if you are salaried employee, company will take care of that. Again, it's salary income. So if you are salaried employee and you have again interest income from fixed deposit or any other income or rental income, on that you need to pay income tax based on your tax slab. So for this, how to make the payment? Go to Google test India's MSTR. Pay taxes online. So income tax and corporation tax, TDS, TCS, STT. So there are a lot of payments. So this one, income tax and corporation tax. See chala number 280. So if you are individual, if you are not a company, then you can select this one, income tax other than companies. So if you are paying within the year, then it is advance tax. So after the close of the financial year, then it will be self-assessment tax or regular assessment tax based on the information. So you need to select the type, net banking, enter permanent assessment year, address, mobile, email, captcha, proceed. It will redirect to net banking. You need to select retail user if you are not a company. Then go for that and enter after login you enter the tax and click the calculate, proceed. Then it will be challan will be generated. You need to download that.